Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the latest of the 58mm Swiss Army knives, the minichamp. This time we have this limited edition in copper alox with the red shield. As I have it in my hand, the tooling is still the same. All the dimension like the other alox mini champs that we did, just this time we have it in a copper color with red shield, and on the back side we have also copper, of course, with the victorinox engraving. That's how this knife looks. They come boxed in this packaging. That is basically how we get them. 20 pieces are in one of those boxes. I'm gonna quick show you how that looks as we get the knives. Basically the box is full with smaller boxes as you would get it later in the mail if you order one. We can slide it for open. There is the manual, and here we have the knife in the box with the split ring. That's how the knife comes. The manual that comes with the knife is basically the same that is for the standard regular version, because the alox version is a limited edition. We see here the minichamp with the regular synthetic scales. The manual is in English, German and French. You can always stop the video to read it closer. And on the back side it is in Spain, Italian and Japanese. Of course the Midnight Mini Champ we could not do. That is a flashlight, the LED flashlight into the plastic synthetic scales. Since we do the alox version we can't integrate it. The knife itself is 58mm long by the handle. The thickness is really thin for a tool with so many blades in it. We have nearly 11mm. So that's really a thin, compact toolbox. It's a 3-layer Swiss Army knife. All is compact together, sturdy, with a lot of tools. The 58mm Swiss Army knife I carry since many years, every day. That is for sure the knife that I use the most. I carry different styles of that size of a Swiss Army knife. It also changes. We test some versions and try it out, and it depends. It changes which model it actually is, but for sure is that is a handy knife. Everybody should have minimum a simple classic model with the plastic scales that you get for little money. If you have friends that don't have one, then get them one if it used, and rework it a bit so it works again. That is really coming in handy, and the people don't freak out. It's a small knife and not a weapon, actually a tool. Really nice. That much about the latest version of the Swissbianco exclusive, the limited edition that we got, the alox minichamp.